YikeBike is an electric, smart, maintenance-free, folding bicycle with full-size, 26-inch wheels that we created for the future of urban commuting. It can reach up to 20 miles per hour on its full electric assistance. Crafted from ultra-lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, YikeBike can be taken anywhere: bus, train, office, elevator, or locker without compromise. YikeBike gives people exactly what they need: freedom to ride without excess or restraint. YikeBike's features make the bike a sustainable, technologically advanced and perhaps most importantly, practical commuting option. Each of the following features are rooted in one simple question: how can we improve your commute? Ergonomic design: folding aluminum alloy frame, which can be easily put in the trunk, put it in your corner, fully save your space. Equipped with the 36V 7.8, a lithium-ion battery can fully recharge in 4 to 6 hours and travel max 30 to 40 kilometers, depends on road and weight, on one charge. Easily adjust the bicycle seat and handlebar to find the perfect position for a comfortable ride. Conquer all kinds of terrain easily. Whether it be a flat road or a bumpy mountain road, cross with little effort. The powerful 36V 250W motor has 5 different levels of power assistance, great for steep inclines. Even wearing a mask, you won't feel short of breath. NASA Sports X1's 5-speed electric power assist automatically controls the output based on your pedaling. Raising the gear allows you to ride long distances as easily as pi and helps you ride up slopes more easily. The torque sensor will understand when you don't need extra power due to the force you apply to the pedals. The motor won't waste any extra battery when it's not needed, making it a more efficient power system. Riding e-bike is only a means of transportation? Not only that, it can be fun, and it can be your lifestyle. Fido commits itself to providing customers all over the world with a practical, free, and personalized environmentally friendly commute method. Now it comes to our D11 electric folding bike. E-bikes like the Fido D11 show how less is more when executed properly. The D11's foldable design and unique battery placement provided me with a unique experience that didn't feel much like some other e-bikes. It feels like a gentleman's dapper bicycle designed for efficiency and aesthetics as opposed to power and torque. Ride into your next adventure on YikeBike, the first e-bike with 100-mile range, regenerative braking, all-terrain tires and a compact foldable frame. Commute to work, ride mountain trails or cruise the beach. YikeBike takes you anywhere you want to go with ease. Many e-bikes have short range, but not Rocket. YikeBike has an industry-leading range of 100 miles thanks to the perfect combination of innovative regenerative braking and a lightweight frame. High-quality and fully spec'd bikes are expensive, and affordable bikes have low-quality materials or poor design. We cut out the middleman and created the coolest affordable e-bike that has all the features you want packaged in a bold, record-setting performance design. The Rad Expand 5 is an evolution of Rad Power's Rad Mini line, but it loses the bulky suspension fork and any extra weight that goes with it. Fat 4-inch tires take on the work of absorbing any road imperfections. This is a Class 2 rig with a 750W motor and step-through frame. This frame shape makes it easy to get on and off, especially with a loaded rack, as well as planting feet flat on the ground when coming to a stop. Some components and their brands have been changed and are seen as downgrades, but the Rad Expand 5 is considerably lighter than its predecessors. It comes with a rack and suits commutes. The YikeBike is ideally suited for getting to and from public transport as well as a fun way to travel to your favorite local cafe on the weekends. The Model V is constructed of hygroformed aluminium and composite reinforced polymer. The Model V is slightly lower than the Model C, and comes with both a 2- and 3-wheel configuration. The 3-wheel option makes it super easy for first-time riders to get started and can also be an ideal option as a fun alternative to a mobility scooter for adventurous seniors. It's simple to switch over between the 2- and 3-wheel option using a single screw and tools that are supplied. The Model C is the lightest and most rigid YikeBike we can offer, with carbon fiber frame, rear leg, front wheel and handlebar assembly. We are using the latest Panasonic lithium-ion batteries offering a range of 20 kilometers and regenerative braking.